In this video, we're gonna go from Ella, a town in the hills of Sri Lanka, to the holy Adam's Peak. And on the way, we're gonna take this train journey, which is widely considered to be one of the most scenic train routes in the whole world. So right now I'm in a hostel in Ella, which is a very hilly town in Sri Lanka with some gorgeous hikes that I've been exploring for the last couple of days. And right now I'm about to catch a train to go to the next town. Traveling with Ebba from Denmark. She was traveling with a big group of 35 Danes and it's just really sad. She's the only one from our country now, so she looks tired and sad during the hike. That's because she's missing Denmark. Right?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. And this train ride all the way to Kandy is supposed to be one of the most scenic train routes in the whole world and not just Sri Lanka. But we're not going all the way, we're just going like 2/3 of the way.
Can we go further? Here?
So we got some comfortable seats in second class. Problem is that we're facing backwards. It's not the ideal view on a train ride, but it works.
No, I don't think so. There it is.
You see it? So we're at the end of our train ride and bus ride, and we're in this small village called Nalatania, which is at the base of Adam's Peak. And from here we're gonna hike all the way to the top of Adam's Peak, which we can't see yet because it's too cloudy. And there's a lot of pretty little temples and stuff around here. Adam's Peak e hike kore jabo. Oh, it's the other way. Okay. So this place is not only sacred for some Muslims and Christians who often believe that this is the place on top of Adam's Peak is where Prophet Adam or Adam laid his first footstep on earth. It's also a very significant monument for Buddhists, especially the Buddhists in Sri Lanka, because they believe that is Gautama Buddha's footstep. And it's also a holy site for a lot of Hindus who believe that that footstep belongs to their god Hanuman or Shiva. It's pretty much a sacred site for people from almost all religions in this part of the world in Sri Lanka. This is it. I think we're at our hostel or hotel. So in the next video we're actually gonna wake up at 2 a.m. to hike 1,000 meters up to the top of Adam's Peak. So stay tuned for that, coming very soon.